In the previous tutorials, we looked at how you can convert between binary and denary. In this tutorial, we're now going to look at how you can carry out simple addition with binary numbers. In order to carry out addition, you need to be aware of the rules of binary addition. And the rules are as follows. A 0 plus a 0 equals 0. 0 plus 1 equals 1. And 1 plus 1 equals 0. Carry 1 into the next column. And this is the most important rule that you need to remember, that a 1 plus a 1 equals a 0, carry a 1 into the next column. So, having now familiarized ourselves with those rules, let's put them into practice. So, let's come up with two simple binary numbers and see if we can add them together. Now, all we need to do then is, once we've got the two numbers, apply the rules of binary addition. So, 0 plus a 1. Start at this side, add them together, this makes a 1. Move along to the next number. Add them together, this makes a 0. Move along, add the next two numbers together, this makes a 1. And the next two numbers together, this makes a 1. Next two numbers, this makes a 1. Next two numbers, this makes a 1. Let's take a look at another example. We'll come up with two more binary numbers. This time we'll make sure that the numbers that we come up with create a carry. So, two more binary numbers to add together. Again, start from the right hand side, apply the rules of binary addition to the pairs of numbers. So here we've got 0 plus 0, which gives us 0, 1 and 0 gives us a 1, 0 and 1 gives us a 1, 1 and 1. This is where the carry is now involved, because remember, the rules of binary addition are that a 1 plus a 1 equals 0, carry a 1 into the next column. We can then look at these two numbers here. We've got 0 and a 0, which is 0, but we need to deal with the carry. So we add that, that gives us 1 here. And then finally at the end here, 0 plus 0 gives us a 0. So the only thing you need to be aware of here is that where you get a 1 plus a 1, it equals 0, carry 1 into the next column. Let's have a look at one more final, perhaps more complicated example before we finish this tutorial. So let's come up with a few more binary numbers, and then we'll have a go at adding these numbers together. So again, to add them together, start from the right hand side, apply the rules of binary addition. 0 plus a 1 is a 1, 1 plus a 1 is a 0, carry a 1 into the next column. A 1 plus a 1 would be a 0, carry 1, but we've got this carry here already. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Add this carry to this pair of numbers here, gives us 1. Move across, look at this series of numbers here. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Add the carry, that gives us a 1 here. We've now dealt with that one. 0 plus 0 is a 0. 1 plus 0 is a 1, and hopefully we've got the correct number here. One technique that you can use in the exam, just to help you out slightly if you're doing binary addition, is to just confirm that you've got the correct answer. And the easiest way in which you can do that is to write in the place values. So we'll do that here: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. And then let's work out what each of these numbers here are before we did the addition. So here we've got a 32 plus a 4, which is 36, 37, 38. Here we've got a 4, 6, 7. So the answer that we would expect to get here would be 38 plus 7. So let's have a look at what this would be here. Here we've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 plus the carry is 45. So we think the answer should be 45. Let's see if in fact we got the correct answer here. So our answer when we did the binary addition was 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1. So let's add these numbers together to just check that we get the same answer that we got here, and this would be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 with a carry here. 3 plus the 1 is 45, which confirms that we got the correct answer here. And that's just one quick check that you can do in the exam to ensure that you got the answer correct. However, you must remember, if the question asks you to add two binary numbers together, you must show working like this. Don't simply convert the two binary numbers and give this as the answer. It's the number here that gets you the answer.